Hey, hi everyone. So in this video we will see how to set up Vagrant. So this is has a tool for from Hashicorp. So mainly Vagrant is like a helper tool which help us to create recreate environment in very easy manner. So mainly it's integrate with the different providers. Like one of the provider is Virtualbox. So in the last video we installed the Virtualbox. Now there is one approach you can create like Virtualbox new VMs manually, or you can use Vagrant to automate that or create a VM. So Vagrant comes as a CLI. So yeah, on this system uh, I have like a Vagrant CLI installed. So for that you can use Brew package manager. So you have to say brew install Vagrant. I already have that, so it says already latest version installed. So you will get a CLI, and you can see that it comes with a lot of features. So so uh, beside this, Vagrant also provides they have this Vagrant cloud, or you can say you can get the pre-built VMs images, and as mentioned there are like different providers. So we Vagrant can be integrated with Docker, Kumu, VirtualBox, VMware, vSphere, AWS, and a lot of providers are there. But in this video we will be using the that our VirtualBox provider. So uh, here as mentioned it's a you can find the pre-built uh, Vagrant boxes or VM images. So these are so main page, and here you can find that just let me go back here. So under the Ubuntu you can find we have Bionic image focals 64. So and in the main box like this it's a discover page. Like here you can find, so by default it's sorted by like if you most downloaded. That's why it is Ubuntu Trust 64, although it's very old. CentOS is also there. So you can find the respective image. People also contribute here and they host images. So we will go with the Ubuntu, and not this one. uh, we will go with the focal. Yeah, so this is 20.4 LTS. So they also provide the how to use this. So you have to say Vagrant init. So I already created a folder for this. So currently there is nothing in this, but when you do this Vagrant init focal and box version, it creates a Vagrant file. If you see, the Vagrant file is like a Docker file. It contains the schema or a configuration of the VM which will be built. So we can also modify those things. So here you can modify the configurations, update this, like some things are already uh, like you can are commented, but you can enable like as per your needs. So I want to enable one thing majorly, which is like the display configuration. So this is I want UI GUI interface. So we can enable from here. Otherwise it will not show that. So for this demo purpose we will be enabling this. Let's say just so we will try to keep things in parallel. Yeah, say let me just read this again to make sure that configuration remains fine. Yeah, I think I have to. Yeah, I think this should work fine. So now we have the customization. We can just say Vagrant up. So this process might take some time as it will pull the image. So it will depend upon your internet speed. So currently we have the VirtualBox running, but we do not have any VMs. So so it is downloading. So it will take approx 2 minutes. Let's wait for a while. So as mentioned that so that is mainly called Vagrant Cloud, where we found the different boxes. So here it's a Vagrant. Currently I logged in. It is also available you can just search for Vagrant Cloud and you can pull the images. You do not have to create a account. You just need Vagrant init and Vagrant up. So a few more seconds. Yeah. So now if you see, we have okay, some issue there. Okay, I think there is a this architecture is not supported. 64-bit. Okay, so it tried to uh, boot the VM and I think it's mainly due to the let's see. So we can destroy this. So Vagrant comes with the option to destroy. And destroy. Yes. So it will delete that VM, and many other operations are supported through Vagrant. So once a VM is up, you can say Vagrant SSH. It will directly SSH you to the server. Vagrant up we already used. Validate is if you want to you made some changes, then you can do that. So I think we should run this also because we made some changes. Yeah, so this is fine. Then resume, reload, all this. So different features are there. All to stop. So I think for now we can give it a try. So say init again. Say okay. So it's saying focal 64 and Vagrant up. So image should be already there. It's trying to create. Let's see it's able to boot or not. I think it's an issue with the um, architecture, as we are this system is on 64, right? So I think we should find a box which is having, let's see, yeah, I think some any official should be so let's sort by downloads, most downloaded. So this is the, I think the official, like most downloaded, so we can utilize this one. So let's say again to destroy, yes, rm, and this time we will use this image, and let's hope for the best. Should be ARM64. This one I don't know. Okay, so let's see the provider, which provider is supported. If we go back, so I searched for Ubuntu ARM, but provider is VMware Desktop, right? So provider, let's pick our provider, Virtualbox, and in that let's pick some, then this is fine. Yeah. Destroy backup file. So let's say this one up. So the size is around 1.9 GB. So it will take some time. And this time it's matching, like we have ARM64 system and the provider is Virtualbox last, so this should work fine. Yeah, so here also if you see, right, it was ARM and we need ARM64. Okay, so now this time if you see, we can also open the Virtualbox. Let's apply the setting, and this one enter. So this is booting. So we got the cell. So this is like successfully booted, and here right. So now we can say Vagrant SSH. We will get into, yeah. So we are in the VM. Yeah. So initially we have to, so from here right we see that you have to choose the right provider as well as the right architecture. So you have to see this architecture, as this Mac is ARM64. Apple Silicon's architecture type is like ARM64. For Intel it will be AMD64. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you.